Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this gorgeous glittery flower pin. You'll need pins, flowers, ribbon, super glue, and a pair of scissors. First thing you'll want to do is open up your pins and cut the flowers to go on to the side of the pin. The stems are super long, so you'll want to obviously cut them a little shorter and remove the leaves so that you can easily wrap the ribbon around the pin and the flower together. Cut your ribbon at an angle so that it'll be easier to wrap the ribbon around the pin and the flower stem together. Also, you'll apply the super glue to the pin first and then below it to kind of let it dry and get tacky, and then stick the ribbon to the pin. Then add the stem of the flower and begin wrapping around like you see me doing here. I'm a little bit out of the frame, but it's because I wanted to get the ribbon tight around the pin or pull it a little taut so that the ribbon will not unravel in the future as, you know, it's being used. Okay, so when you get down to the bottom of the pin and the stem, you're going to want to cut the ribbon at an angle again so that whenever you're putting the super glue at the bottom of the pin, you'll want the ribbon to fit perfectly onto the pin. So you'll add the super glue directly to the pin below it so that it'll get tacky, and then begin to adhere the ribbon to the pin, and it'll give it a smoother transition at the bottom so that there are no gaps, and then the ribbon will completely stick to the pin and it won't unravel in the future. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.